What's up, guys, it's your friendly lighting design Arkie, and in this video, I'll show you how to construct a building in Dialux Evo. Tutorials for beginners. If you're new to lighting design and want to create your own project, this video will teach you how to use Dialux Evo step by step. Step 1. Learn how to use the Building tab in Dialux Evo. In one of our previous tutorials we discussed how to load an AutoCAD file into this program Dialux Evo, and now we shall move on the second icon, which is we draw a building. All alternatives are available from here: draw a building, draw a rectangle floor, draw polygonal floor, and draw a north arrow. By selecting Edit, you will see the utilization profile, which includes a group or selection of options such as visual task, surrounding area, background area, uniformity. You can use or modify any of these methods depending on the project you're working on. Here we have the maintenance factor, which is a calculated version or a fixed figure such as 0.67 or 0.8, depending on your project. There is also a definition of the location on the globe in relation to doing this on daylight calculation. After that, we began a new construction project. Before we draw a new structure, we can change the number of stories based on how many stories your project has. Total building height is also important, therefore in my example, I'll use a 3-meter height foundation. Ceiling height requirement. Click the new building. Now we're going to draw a structure. We can start from any corner if we click the new building. Now adhere to my instructions to begin. Simply click this corner. The second point is to the right. Third point. Then right-click before end point to close the polygon. Step 2. Learn how to use the Dialux Evo viewing interface. Here's a look at a 3D rendering. A floor plan view, front view, side view from the night, view from behind, side view from left. Zoom all, tape measure, and set coordinate system. We also have a site view, building view, story view, and a loading plan for a CAD file here. Move on to third icon, which is Story and Building Construction tab. Here we have Draw New Room, Draw New Indoor Contour, Draw New Outer Counter, New Empty Story, and Duplicate Story. You name the story of your project, such as the ground level for example, as well as a description that will show on your document report, from Active Story. The properties are down here. The height of the story and the thickness of the floor can also be changed. Rooms. Now that we've returned to drawing a room, let's construct a rooms. You can rename the room base of what area is that. And that's how we're going to build the ground floor level of this project. Step 3. Learn how to use Apertures tab for windows and door in Dialux Evo. To automatically place the window, click the window from the CAD drawing. Position the active building opening by clicking on it. To automatically place the window, click the window from the CAD drawing. With a right-click, you can move, rotate, scale, copy, cut, and delete. Draw a new building opening. By clicking Select, you can see many options of windows including standard door. You can also change the height, width, and depth of the item under the Dimensions section. Thank you for taking the time to view Graphicark lighting design. If you enjoy my content and believe you have learned something new, please consider subscribing, giving thumbs up, and most importantly, clicking the notification bell and leaving a comment on this episode of Basic Dialux Evo Tutorials. See you on my next video. Keep safe everyone.